Hello guys, it's Lola. I just wanted to share one of my favorite skincare product in this video. So this one, I normally use this about like 2 to 3 times a week. It's called Freeman Charcoal and Black Sugar Polishing Mask. It's pretty big, right? It's almost the size of my face, like half size of my face. And you know what? It only costs about like four to five or something like that. I think I only paid like 3 something, probably around 4, including tax. They have different prices from like different websites. I think I got this from pharmapacks.com. I just bought a lot of them because I just use it a lot. So after washing my face, I was about to use this product and I just thought, oh, I should share this. It smells pretty good. What you do with it, you just pour some amount that's enough to cover your face. Something bad about this one, if I really have to pick one, is that once you pour this mask out, it's kind of hard to close it tightly. So I need to like do this. Then now it's closed tightly. So what you do, you just spread it all over your face. You'll feel some heat while you spread it out, and that's normal. I think it's the process of like opening up the pore. Kind of feels like scrub, but it's not really a scrub, I guess. The texture is kind of weird, but kind of like satisfying, like there's some silicone sand, static sand, right? And I'm going to apply it under my chin as well. And you just leave it for like 5 to 7 minutes. What was that? Yes, 5 to 7 minutes. You just leave it like this for 5 minutes or 7 minutes. So while I'm waiting for 7 minutes, I'm just trying to use everything that's on my hand, because your neck also needs skincare, right? As well as your whole body. But when I do mask, I normally I try to apply it on my neck as well. That's possible because you're going to wash it off anyway, right? Now I sometimes hear people saying I have a good skin, but when I was younger, I had a big acne problem, pimples all over, and there was acne scars all over as well. I was like, I'll do anything to get rid of my acne, but it's all gone now. Maybe I should share how I get rid of my acne for the next video or something. I still do get some breakouts, but not as much as like when I was younger, and it's really like small stuff around my chin or on my forehead or something like that. It's not a big deal. And what's good is that people can hardly see, even I can hardly see the acne scar on my face, so I think that's a good thing. Oh no, I started before I start mentioning. So it's been 7 minutes. So what you do now is you massage your face with this black charcoal and sugar mask for like 1 to 2 minutes before washing this off. Okay, it's been 2 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and wash this off and come back. Okay, I'm back. Can you guys see the difference from the screen? I don't know, like from the screen I see, like I can definitely see like it got a lot smoother even in the screen. So what I really love about this charcoal mask is that, oh my god, you guys really need to try this if you haven't. I mean, it feels like super soft, like touching the baby's butt. I think it lasts about like 2 to 3 days too. Like it feels really good. Like I could touch my face all night. I normally do this skincare at night though. It's just so smooth, so soft, feels really good. Like, oh god, it's so good, and it's inexpensive, right? So cheap, like $4 for this big bottle. Like, oh god, you guys need to try this really. So thanks for watching. I just really wanted to share this because it's really good. I just wanted to spread the word, and I just hope they never stop producing it. So thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed my video. Thank you.